Hi my dear art fairies, and today we will create pair of these beautiful sparkly earrings. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, not to skip my future tutorials, and of course you are welcome to membership of this channel to unlock even more beautiful tutorials. Let's start. And for it we will need 7 crystals 6mm and 10 crystals of 4mm round. It's check seed bead size 11 and check seed beads size 13. Earring hooks and pins. As well you will need cutters, pliers, scissors, thread and needle. I take 1 6mm crystal, 1 seed bead size 11, crystal, seed bead, crystal, seed bead, 5 crystals and 5 seed beads. Make a knot. Pass through all crystals and seed beads one more time. Pull a bit to hide the knot and pass through. Come out from the seed bead. Take 4 seed beads size 13, 1 seed bead size 11 and 4 tiny seed beads. Enter into the seed bead in between 2 crystals. Again, 4 tiny seed beads, 1 seed bead 11 0 and 4 seed beads size 13 0. Enter into the seed bead in between the crystals. Again, 4, 1 and 4. Enter into the seed bead. Continue the same till the end. And now we need to come out from the seed bead, which is in the middle and was size 11 0. Just pass with our thread and needle carefully to the middle of our arch. Here. Take 1 tiny seed bead, 1 crystal 4mm, 1 tiny crystal, and enter into the big seed bead on the top of crystal in the middle of the arch. 1 tiny seed bead, 1 4mm round crystal and 1 tiny seed bead. Enter into the seed bead in the middle of our arch. Pull. 1 seed bead, 1 crystal, 4mm, 1 seed bead. Enter into the big seed bead in the middle of our arch, which is number 5. Again, 1 tiny seed bead, crystal, seed bead in the middle of our arch. Seed bead, crystal, seed bead in the middle of our arch. Pull, and then we need to pass with our needle and thread into the crystal and come out from the crystal. Now we will use seed beads size 11. 1 seed bead, enter into the crystal only. 1 seed bead into the crystal. 1 seed bead into the crystal. And come out from the seed bead. Take 3 seed beads size 11. Enter into the seed bead in between our crystals. 3 seed beads, enter into the seed bead, which is in between our crystals from previous row. Again, 3 seed beads into the seed bead in between our crystals. We enter into the seed bead, and then we enter into the middle, 1, 2, 3, in the second seed bead, which is middle of our arch. 1 seed bead enter into the middle of the arch. It's as well second seed bead of our previous arch of 3 seed beads. 1, and here I would suggest you to count just to be sure that you added seed bead in between every arch. It's 2, 3, 4, and 5, and come out from the seed bead in between arches. Pull, and now connect seed beads you just added with seed beads in between, just to make it more stiff. Now we have to weave our thread and needle to the beginning, because we will repeat all the steps we did from this side, we will repeat to that side. Come out from the seed bead in between the crystals, and again 4 tiny seed beads, 1 11-0 seed bead, and 4 tiny seed beads. Enter into the seed bead in between our crystals. 4 tiny seed beads, 1 11-0, and 4. Enter into the seed bead in between our crystals of 6 millimeters. Continue the same till the end of the row. Now come out as well from the big seed bead in the middle of our arch, and 1 tiny seed bead, 1 4mm round crystal, 1 tiny seed bead, enter into the next arch, into the bigger seed bead which is in the middle. Pull. Continue the same till the end of our row. 1 seed bead, 1 crystal, 1 seed bead. Enter into the seed bead in the middle of the arch. Come out from the crystal, take 1 seed bead size 11 and enter into the crystal only. Come out from the seed bead, take 3 seed bead size 11 and enter into the seed bead. Again 3 seed beads and enter into the seed bead. Come out from the seed bead number 2 in the middle of our arch. Take 1 seed bead size 11 and enter to the next middle seed bead on our arch. Connect all the seed beads together from the previous row and from the last row to make it more stiff. Now we need to secure our thread. I will do so by making a knots around the threads and weaving my thread inside my future earring. Few knots and I will cut the thread. My beaded bead is ready and it's stunning, shining just perfectly, and we will finish now to the ready earrings. For it I take 6mm crystal, I take my beaded bead, I enter into the hole what we have here, I take second bead of 6mm. Now I will use round nose pliers, bend and make a loop to attach our hook. I take my hook and just close it carefully and slowly, not to damage anything. This way. Earrings are ready. Those are perfectly shiny and beautiful. Let me know in the comments what do you think, and I hope you will manage to create these beautiful earrings. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to like this video and comment below if you have any questions or suggestions to my channel.